Stop scrolling for a second. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally here, and it's about to change the game for pocket-sized cameras. Fresh leaks and real-world images suggest DJI is delivering one of the boldest upgrades in its history. And trust me, if you're a content creator, you'll want to pay attention. For the first time in the Pocket series, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to feature a dual camera system. A primary wide-angle sensor for everyday shooting, plus a secondary telephoto lens for true optical zoom, likely 2 to 3 times. This means better framing flexibility, cinematic compression, and far superior low-light performance compared to previous models. The gimbal itself looks larger and sturdier, designed to handle the dual lens setup while delivering smoother stabilization for walking shots, action sequences, and cinematic pans. DJI also seems to be refining the body for ergonomics, with a slimmer grip and premium finishes, hinting this isn't just a casual vlogging tool, it's aiming at serious creators. Beneath the camera, cutouts suggest improved audio with a new microphone array and enhanced wind reduction. There may also be a modular interface for external mics or wireless transmitters, while still keeping the compact, pocketable form factor DJI is known for. Regulatory concerns in the US have caused delays for other DJI products, but the Pocket 4 cleared FCC certification in November 2025 and also meets Canadian standards. This ensures it's ready for North American release, likely in February or mid-March 2026, with major retailers stocking it soon after. Even with DJI's strong presence, creators are exploring alternatives in 2025. Lightweight drones like the Patanzik Atom 2 or Follow Me drones such as the Hover Air X1 provide automated flight, 4K recording, and tracking for beginners and intermediate users. Meanwhile, high-end options like the anti-gravity A1 push creative possibilities with dual cameras and intelligent flight modes. Between the dual lens leap, ergonomic redesign, improved stabilization, and guaranteed compliance, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a must-have tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and travel creators. And with the broader ecosystem of compact cameras and drones advancing, 2026 is set to be a transformative year for content creators everywhere. If you're serious about filming professional quality footage on the go, Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for.